Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Brandon Mora, and in this virtual session, today I'll talk about poisons and toxicology. This topic is very interesting because it's very likely to suffer this problem because of the different agents and situations that can occur in the day of each person. Understanding has an agent to the substance that harm the human being, like the chemical substance in food, animal poisons, among many more. First, poisoning is the harmful effect that occurs when a toxic substance is swallowed, inhaled, or comes into contact with the skin. Possible toxic substances include prescription and non-prescription drugs, illegal drugs, gases, chemicals, vitamins, food, mushrooms, plants, and animal poisons. According to data from the World Health Organization in 1204, near 346,000 people died of intoxication worldwide. In this case, I will focus on animal poisoning. For me, this topic is fascinating. Since I have always had an interest in this topic and always like this type of animals. This is a picture of me with a snake. I love snakes. And the second thing is explain what are poisonous animals. Well, poisonous animals have a structure in their body, tusks or stingers, to transmit their venom to another body. Poisons from bites or sightings of poisonous animals represent one of the most important toxicological problems for humans. Signs, injection or direct contact with toxins produce itching, inflammation or injury, immobilization, allergic reaction, and in extreme case, anaphylactic attack or immediate death. That is why we need extreme care with these animals. The animals that most attack humans are snakes and scorpions. According to the World Health Organization, about 138,000 people die from a snake bite in the world, and approximately 1,400 deaths in Mexico from scorpion bites. What can I do if I was bitten by a poisonous animal? Well, first, get medical help. It's obvious. Once this is done and when help arrives, stay calm, then remove any object that obstruct the flow or the view where the bite occurs, since this area usually becomes inflamed. For example, if you have a ring or watch, take off for in case the snake attack me in the hands. Well, later, the vital signs and appearance or physical appearance of the person must be being reviewed. And lastly, try to remember the physical appearance of the animal, as this will help doctors to identify the type of poison or the type of animal, which medication to use, and save time for making decisions. If the animal is not identified, blood studies are carried out to find out what the poison is, because this is important to see the animal that attacks. The World Health Organization assures that identifying the animal helps in making decisions of doctors, since to antidote will be administered faster and the possibility of survival increase. At present, exists a wide range of antidotes for almost any natural poisons, although in the same way there are poisons that their antidote is unknown, since they are very lethal, or the amount of poison that is injected at the time of the accident or attack is so high that death is in question of minutes. The best way to avoid being bitten by a poisonous animal is to avoid them and not approach them for any reason. As a general rule, If the animal is very striking and with bright colors like yellow, red, or something, it's very likely to be dangerous. Another aspect is to be extremely careful. When we are in natural areas where humans presence is very low. In the hot season, these animals are easier to see since they reproduce and come to the light. And lastly, if you travel to continents such as Africa, Asia, and Oceania, extreme care must be taken since these contain the largest number of snakes in the world and the most lethal to humans. We must always be attentive to presence of any animal, especially if it's poisonous. In conclusion, poison medicine or toxicology is an important branch of the medicinal area, and everyone should know something about it.